everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to get text-to-speech on Wattpad. First of all, open the Wattpad application. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Tap on the story that you would like to read. Now after that, you'll be able to see the details regarding that story over here. Make sure the option for text to speech is available over here. This option will not be available in all these story. If you want to get text to speech, make sure to select the story with this option available. Tap on the option Start Reading that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you'll be able to see the content of the story over here. At top, you'll be able to find this option for listen with text to speech. What you have to do is simply tap on the play button.
Before you read this, some of you don't know that Violet is.
You can see over here the text written in the story will be read out to you. So like this, you'll be able to get text to speech. So that is how you get text to speech on Wattpad. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.